got mixed upside down. So sit back and watch the hiccup down. And this is not it. There's a partition, but don't worry, it'll be out soon. Hiccup. Hiccup. So, how's your day been going, Gray? It's been fine. Sky, I got the hiccup. You have a cure? Yeah, I actually do. Just take a sip of this water. One sip of this and you're probably done. Okay, let me give it a try. So, did it work? I don't know. Hiccup! Oh no! Sky's bleeding and the glass cracked on her. It's in her skin. Ow! I'll go ask Simon. Simon! Yeah, Durple? I have a hiccups. Can you help me? Anything for a friend. Hey, get off me! So, do you have a cure? I actually think I do. Have you tried drinking water? Yeah, I did with that with Sky, but it didn't end up so well. I have an idea. So you breathe in, you close your mouth, and breathe out. Okay, let's give it a try. And we're gonna take this piece of tape and put that on like so. Oh, let me take this off of your mouth. Durple yourself a Actually, I think I have a plan B. Let me take orange headphones real quick. Durple, come over here. Okay. Oh, these headphones are pretty comfy. Let me change it to a different one, like this one. Dude, why did you take my headphones? Me and Pinky were taking a nap. Oh, my friend here, Durple, has the hiccups. That didn't help me at all.